X Factor.
Inescapable, timeless, time stands. Unaccounted, universally segregated, searching. Sadly emulating a powerful grip to no degree. Unretractable reactions to perceptions barely received. Chains are breaking. Links fall to the wayside. Vibrations are making themselves known. To souls searching, anticipating spiritual quickness swing from shadows of darkness which harness the severed string sting. Now X is the factor for this strange reaction, for I've witnessed the age-old souls reaching in search of that timeless time standing to gain more from that powerful grip to no degree, harnessing no hold.